Look what we got here. We got BougeRV's 200 watt, 12 volt, 9 BB monocrystalline solar panel. I picked this thing up so I can have a spare solar panel outside at all times throughout the year, charging up my BougeRV B300 battery or various solar generators. Now I have a few portable solar panels that are great, but when it's windy or when it rains, I have to pack them up, fold them up, and bring them inside, and it's kind of a hassle when the weather conditions aren't perfect. So I'm very excited to add this to my collection. The solar panel comes with a user manual and a 10-year warranty, which is great. On the back of the solar panel, you'll find your MC4 connectors. You have a negative and positive, and they're waterproof, and they're 3 feet long, going into your fuse box with waterproof connectors as well. Here's the specs of the solar panel. The solar panel has an aluminum frame with a bunch of cutout holes so you can mount brackets to it. I wanted to give you guys an up-close shot of the solar panel and all the little wires and connections in between. You might see a lot of dust on the panel because I just unboxed it. On the left, you'll see my 250 watt solar panel. That panel weighs about 55 pounds. On the right, we have the BougeRV panel, 200 watt, and that panel weighs 24 pounds. So there's a big significance in size and weight. Right here, I've laid them on top of each other for comparison. Sorry guys, don't mind the mess. I'm doing a lot of concrete work in my backyard right now. My back is killing me. The BougeRV panel on the ground, the MC4 extension cable going into my house so we can test with some solar generators. First up, we have the All Powers S2000, bringing in 151 watts with the BougeRV solar panel. The weather conditions outside are 89 degrees, sunny, and a little bit of haze. Next up, we have the Ugreen Power Roam 600, and it looks like we're bringing in about 151 watts of solar power into this unit. This is my BougeRV B300 battery. It has a built-in MPPT controller. So I'm bringing in around 150 watts into this battery, plus an additional 920 watts on my main unit. This is the reason why I got this solar panel, is when I need to bring in more solar, I can just have it plugged directly into the B300. I really like this solar panel because I can just leave it outside, set it, forget about it. If it rains, if it's really windy, I don't have to worry. If you guys are interested in this solar panel, I'll leave a link in the description below. Guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.